today I'll be exploring few places in Singapore. So this will be my first location. Weather today look good. However, weather forecast say that it will be quite rainy later in the afternoon. Okay, let's move out. See ya. The Jurong Hill Park Tower is just the higher view of the area. Yeah, it's quite windy. Hey! Now I'm on one of the playground. This is slightly challenging to climb. The area is quite small. I think I should take the loop here. Change of plan. See how small is it? Let me go to the highest drop-off point. I think it's over here. This is for climbing. One, two, go. Ooh. Chinese garden and Japanese garden, somewhere around there. They are currently under renovation. Oh, found some otters just swimming around here. My most anticipated area that I will be going to is the Bukit Nature Hill Park. So this is at near the Bukit Road, going to PIE. Okay, so this will be the entrance here. Let's go. So many spider webs. Anyway, I think there will be a torii gate, a very old torii gate somewhere along the road. Hopefully I can find them. Feels like I still got a long way to go. Didn't wear my long sleeve today. Okay, I think it's up here. I'm not sure if I'm walking the correct way because it's all trees and jungle here. I'm just following the small trail along the way. I somehow came out to the open area. Took the wrong trail road and I came out this way. I think I need to go back in and turn right, somewhere in the middle of the nature park. I think there's some mosquitoes already. Okay. I'm just wearing shorts and shoes. Should have worn my track pants. Let's go back in. I'm just kind of lost here. I'm not sure where to go, which direction to go. So as per my GPS, I should be heading downwards there. And then I'm going to find a new trail to exit also. Gonna take some risks. Let's go. I couldn't find the torii gates somewhere along the forest. However, I found one hut. It's quite abandoned. It's kind of worn out. However, I still can stand on it. Some people that jot out some notes here or writings. Chair. Someone drew something here. Yeah, so it's kind of like that. I gotta head back soon because the weather is looking like it's gonna rain anytime. But yeah, finally caught one of the location here. Maybe next time the torii gates I'll try again. Okay, found one more abandoned hut over here. Yeah, it's quite worn out already. And that's about it. Can hear the roads over this direction, so I guess I'll be heading this downwards and we'll call it a day. See ya till the next adventure. I'm going down in squatting position because it's very slippery here with all the mud and there's no frictions. Exit is over there. Here.